supercomputers. Hey, you made it back. Yeah. Welcome back. That might have been a little bit too intense, and I'm sorry. What do you get when you have a fire at the circus? It's intense. Today, we got a quick video, and it's going to be kind of a short repair video. So what we're repairing today is this laptop. Hold on. It is a Model 15-CC19. You know what? I'll just throw it up right up here. It's an HP laptop. It's actually a pretty nice laptop. I know I made it look really huge just now. Check it out. Thing has got like a touchscreen and an i7. Yeah, an i7, an 8th gen i7 in it. We picked this up for free. Oh, it's free. It's free. I love free stuff. I don't know if you guys can tell. We have some other videos down the pipeline here coming pretty soon for a parts hunt video that I did. I have not been sitting idle. I apologize for not getting out more videos, but things have been really busy, really crazy, really hectic lately. But yeah, this laptop, so it did have a problem whenever you boot it up. It just had some like weird freezing issues, and it turns out that the hard drive, it had a 1 terabyte hard drive in it, and for anybody who knows hard drives, the size of a 1 terabyte hard drive in here, I mean, it's you know, it's a 2.5 inch, you know, little hard drive. I'll actually throw one up here just to kind of give you an example. Those hard drives seem to have issues, especially when you have a problem like this. Look at. Do you see that? The camera's kind of. It was dropped. Yeah, you'd go into Windows and you'd throw up the task manager, and it would say that the disk is being used 100% constantly, even if you really weren't doing anything. I found that sometimes that's an issue. So what I did was I swapped out the hard drive for an SSD, and then just to get it working, and then I found out that the battery was bad. So that's what today's video is about, is we're going to be replacing the battery. I've also ended up using this computer for my own personal kind of work use computer, at least for now. Now, the reason that I want to use it for a work laptop is because I don't want to use my personal laptop to plug in things from other people like hard drives or flash drives. Never, ever, ever, ever plug in a hard drive or a flash drive, either from a friend or an unknown source. Maybe a friend's okay, depending on the friend. But you never know. It could have viruses on it. It could have a bunch of dirty stuff on it that you don't want on your computer. You know? Just don't do it. Plug it into a computer that you don't care about. That if it gets a virus, you can just easily wipe it. That's what I like to do anyway. So that's what I've been using this laptop for, because it boots up. Check this out. This thing was slow AF before I got this. All right, I hit the button. Boom. And then we're into Windows. Look at that. Thing's got a touch screen. Check this out. What? The touch screen works. Free. It did actually have an additional problem too, where for some reason, whenever it would go into sleep mode, or the screen would shut off, and then an extended period of time would elapse, and then it would go into sleep mode, it would freeze, and you couldn't get it back. So what I did was I downloaded a program called Driver Easy. I'll actually throw it right up here, and I'll put it in the description below. I love the program, and if you know how to install drivers, I highly recommend it if you're ever having problems with the PC, because Driver Easy actually found some drivers that were outdated that Windows did not decide to update. So Windows Update really, in my opinion, kind of sucks. It can load old drivers for things that can cause issues, really weird issues like that. So I was kind of scratching my head for a while on that one, but yeah. Anyway, here's the repair. It's all shot from my GoPro. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thanks. Well, thanks, guys, for joining me today on the repair video. If you liked it, please like it, subscribe, and check out our merch store and the link in the description below, as well as some of my other social media stuff. If you want anything repaired, please get a hold of me. You can find me at my website, also in the description, and as well as at this, right there. Go to my website, and you can find my contact information and drop me a line anytime. All right? Thanks a lot, and make it a super day. Woo! The supercomputers.